I am Pythagoras of Samos, an ancient Ionian Greek philosopher and the eponymous founder of Pythagoreanism. My political and religious teaching were well known in Magna Graeca and influenced the philosophies.
I am Thales of Miletus, a Greek mathematician, astronomer, and pre-Socratic philosopher from Miletus in Ionia, Asia Minor. I was one of the 7 sages of Greece.
Heraclitus of Ephesus, an ancient Greek, pre-Socratic, Ionian philosopher and native in the city of Ephesus, which was then part of the Persian Empire. My paradoxical philosophy and appreciation for wordplay and cryptic utterance has earned the epithet the obscure since antiquity.
I am Democritus, an ancient Greek pre-Socratic philosopher, primarily remembered today for my formulation of an atomic theory of the universe. I was born in Abdera, Thrace, around 460 BC, although there are disagreements about the exact year.
I am Leucippus, a philosopher who was the earliest Greek to develop the theory of atomism, the idea that everything is composed entirely of various imperishable, indivisible elements called atoms.
I am Aristotle, one of the greatest philosophers who ever lived and the first genuine scientist in history. I made pioneering contributions to all fields of philosophy and science, and I invented the field of formal logic, and I identified the various scientific disciplines and explored their relationships to each other.
I am Empedocles, a Greek philosopher, and I am known for my belief that matter was composed of 4 elements: fire, air, water, and earth, and I am considered as the inventor of rhetoric and the founder of the science of medicine in Italy.
I'm Plato, a Greek philosopher, born in Athens during the classical period of ancient Greece, founder of Platon's school of thought and academy, the first institution of higher learning in the Western world.
I have discovered something.
Is it about our study in the indivisible particles?
I had happened to discover atoms.
You really are a good student.
Democritus and his teacher Leucippus of Miletus were Greek scholars who believed in atomism and pioneered the study of the composition and changes in matter. They have decided to discuss the discovery of the atoms to other philosophers.
What is the study meeting all about?
Leucippus and his student Democritus are going to discuss their discovery about atoms.
Thomas? I have hypothesized that all matter is made up of small invisible particles, and I call these atoms. It is the smallest constituent of atoms that represent a particular element.
How do you say so?
When a matter is very small enough, it reaches a point where it becomes atomos, meaning indivisible.
Democritus, Aristotle have studied and findings about atoms, but it contradicts your theory about atoms.
Why is it?
He didn't believe that matter is a collection of atoms. Instead, he believed that the universe is made up of 4 elements: air, fire, water, and earth.
You could understand and figure out things by simply thinking about them. Also, I believe that everything is a combination of the 4 elements: earth, fire, water, and air. Believing in atom also means putting restriction to the gods, who have the power to divide elements smaller than the atoms.
Aristotle's beliefs greatly flourished, especially in the Middle Ages in Europe. where many spiritual believers were strongly influenced by his ideas, properties, and changes in matter using these qualities. The whole concept of the atom was dismissed for centuries. However, the Greeks' concept of atoms and even Aristotle's arguments were rediscovered in France at the start of the Renaissance period. Democritus and Leucippus' theory on the existence of atoms was proven right.
This idea of Democritus was referred to as atomism. Atomism is a natural philosophy and not a theory. It is based on some philosophical logic that cannot be proven and theorized at that moment. In fact, ancient Greece does not have any scientists.
Atomism paved the way for the modern definition of matter and elements that scientists eventually came up with. John Dalton, J. Thomson, and Ernest Rutherford were some of the scientists who provided more specific and detailed concept of the atom than that of Democritus.